Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down Idol Cult Empire's monster system and everything you need to know to progress faster without getting stuck. So let's jump right in. First, the central monster, this one right over here. That giant monster in the middle of the map isn't just for looks. It's one of the most important progression systems in the entire game. If you ignore it, you'll eventually hit a hard wall where upgrades stop unlocking. Leveling up the monster helps unlock new areas, generate rare resources, progress dungeon content, and access higher tier upgrades across the game. Now, let's talk about how to upgrade the monster. Monster upgrades are tied closely to spider nests. You'll unlock spiders, merge them into higher levels, and those higher level spiders generate more web. Web is extremely important because it's required for library upgrades, scroll research, and monster related upgrades. Early on, this feels slow, but once more zones unlock, it ramps up quickly. Now, for resource management and sacrifices. Everything in this game is interconnected. Meat comes from sacrificing disciples, this one right over here. Books require previously unlocked books, and higher upgrades need rare materials like web, acid, and devil cores. Disciples can be recruited, sacrificed, or even initiate sacrifices themselves. It sounds dark, but sacrifices are a core mechanic here and necessary for steady progress. Now let's talk about ads, because they actually matter here. Watching ads can double or triple income, skip waiting time, and give free recruits or boosts. Early game, especially, the ads on the left side of the screen are absolutely worth using if you want faster growth. These three right over here. And finally, some quick progression tips. Always unlock new zones when possible. Complete tasks at the top of the screen. Prioritize upgrading spiders and the monster. Avoid wasting gemstones on time skips. Focus on steady upgrades instead of rushing. So the big takeaway is this: upgrade your monster consistently, merge spiders for web, manage resources carefully, and use ads strategically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!